Hello children, a hearty welcome to you all. In the previous two parts of the lesson, Festivals of Northeast India, we have discussed about the different festivals observed by the people of Assam, especially the Bihu festivals. Pilamane, Festivals of Northeast India. Ehi pathotira purbo duiti part re ame Assam ro Bihu festival bishore janile. Today we will discuss in detail about the different festivals observed by the people of Arunachal Pradesh. Let us read the text first. SGP 5. Lying farther north in the mountain regions of the Himalayas, Arunachal Pradesh is one of India's most remote and picturesque locations with lush green paddy fields and pine-clad mountains. Nature has provided the people of this region with a deep feeling of beauty which can be seen in their festivities, songs and dances. SGP 6. The New Year Festival, Lusar, is perhaps the most important festival in certain areas of Arunachal Pradesh. On this occasion, people clean their homes and discard the old to bring in the new year. Mupin is the harvest festival of the Galo tribe. People worship goddess Mupin and pray to drive away evil spirits and for acquiring prosperity and wealth. An indigenous folk dance called Popir is performed by the young women. An iconic outdoor musical festival of Arunachal Pradesh is the Zero Festival of Music, held at Zero in September every year. The music congregation features a combination of 30 indie bands from across the world and top folk acts from across Northeast India. Dear children, let us discover the meanings of few words or phrases which may be new to you. Pilamane, chalo text ro kichi nutana शब्दार्थ आलोचना करिबा. Notes and glossary. SGP 5. Lying farther, present at a greater distance, बहु दूररे अवस्थित थिबा. Remote, at a distance or disconnected. Picturesque, very attractive or charming place. Location, a place, स्थान बा अवस्थिति. Paddy, unhusked rice, धान विशेष. Pine-clad mountains, mountains surrounded with pine trees. Pine वृक्षरे परिपूर्ण पर्वत. Notes and glossary. SGP 6. Discard, to throw away some useless thing. परित्याग करिबा. Drive away, to force someone to leave. विताड़ित करिबा. Evil spirits, harmful souls. पापी वा दुरात्मा. Acquiring, acquire, to get or to obtain. पाइबा किंबा हासिल करिबा. Prosperity, being successful and wealthy. समृद्धि. Wealth, money, धन संपदा. Indigenous, native, स्वदेशी. Perform, to do something in front of the audience. प्रदर्शन करिबा. Iconic, symbolic, प्रतीकात्मक. Congregation, a gathering, Jana Samavesha. Features: verb, to include some important means, गुरुत्वपूर्ण विषय धारण करिबा. Indie band, a pop group not belonging to a company. Act, अभिनय व play. Arunachal Pradesh, a state among the 7 sisters in India, is full of mountains and scenic beauty. It is in the farther north mountain regions of Himalaya. ପିଲାମାନେ ହିମାଳୟର କୋଳରେ ଅବସ୍ଥାପିତ ଉତ୍ତର ଭାରତର ଏକ ଗିରି କାନନ ଭରା ସୌନ୍ଦର୍ଯ୍ୟମୟ ରାଜ୍ୟ ହେଉଛି ଅରୁଣାଚଳ ପ୍ରଦେଶ. It is India's one of the most distant and a very attractive place to look at. The state is full of lush green paddy fields and pine-clad mountains. Himachal Pradesh ସବୁଜ ଧାନ କ୍ଷେତରେ ପରିପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ତଥା ବିସ୍ତୃତ ପାଇନ୍ ପର୍ବତର ସବୁଜିମାରେ ପରିବ୍ୟାପ୍ତ ଅଟେ. People of this region have a deep feeling for festivals and they love music and dance. People of Arunachal Pradesh celebrate many festivals and the most important festival of them all is Losar festival. Dear children, it is known as the Losar festival. It is the New Year festival for them. In this festival, people clean their homes. They discard the old things to bring in the new year. ପିଲାମାନେ ଲୋଜାର ପର୍ବରେ ଲୋକେ ଘର ଦ୍ୱାର ପୋଛି ପକାନ୍ତି ତଥା ପୁରୁଣା ବସ୍ତୁ ସକଳକୁ ପରିତ୍ୟାଗ କରନ୍ତି ନୂତନ ବର୍ଷରେ ନୂତନ ବସ୍ତୁ କ୍ରୟ କରିବା ନିମନ୍ତେ. Children, another festival called Mopin festival. Yes, Mopin festival is observed by the Galo tribe. It is the harvest festival. People worship goddess Mopin in this festival. They pray the goddess to drive away evil spirits. Yes, evil spirits, and to get prosperity and wealth. Galo जनजाति मोपिन पर्वरे मोपिन देवी को पूजा करती. देवीଙ୍କ ନିକଟରେ दुरात्मा तथा पापात्मा गुड़िकरू मुक्ति पाइबा ପାଇଁ ଏବଂ सुख और समृद्धि निमंते प्रार्थना करिथांती. In this occasion, children, the young women perform a native dance called Popi. The dance is known as Popi. Another symbolic festival of Arunachal Pradesh is the Zero Festival of Music. Every year in September, it is held at a place called Zero. Children, 30 indie bands across the world participate in the festival with top folk dances of the northeast India. सेप्टेम्बर मासरे अनुष्ठित होउथिबा जीरो फेस्टिवल रे देश विदेशरू पिला माने पाखापाखी 30 टी बैंड म्यूजिकल बैंड अंशग्रहण करती तथा उत्तर पूर्वांचल राज्य गुड़िकर लोकनृत्य गुड़िक मध्य एही फेस्टिवल रे स्थान पाइथाय. So children, in our next class we will discuss about the folk dances of the remaining states of the northeast part of India. Till then, keep smiling.